like you brought all your friends. Hi, everybody. Hey, Mickey, I got a quick question for you. Would you like to help us to learn some marching for this march along? You would? That is great news. Well, folks, here's what's going to happen. We are going to take Mickey Mouse and all of his pals and the band all the way down the street to Town Square, USA. But if you're going to join us, you got to learn how to march. Is that right, Mickey? So here's what we need to do. Everybody stand up and stick out your left leg. Your left one. We're just going to do a little basic march step. Left, right, left. It's very simple. Let's try it out. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Oh, very nice. All right. Well, you know what? That seems pretty simple. So, since you guys are so good at that, we're going to add a little something more difficult. Side to side. It's called the step touch. You know what? Pluto. I think you're going to have to show us how to set it. Take it away, buddy. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. And left. You've been paying attention, I can tell. Well, folks, it looks like we have everything we need. So here's what's going to happen. Mickey and his pals are going to line up. The band is going to line up. We're going to head down the street all the way to Town Square, USA. We want you to fill in behind the band and join us as we play and sing and dance some of our favorite music. You know what, Mickey? I think you have to start things off with your song, the Mickey Mouse Club March. What do you say, buddy?